Today we had a CLP meeting आणि आमचे केपेंचे आमदार तशेंच आमचे आल्दोनाचे आमदारय आशिल्ले and we deliberated on several issues pertaining to Goa. आमचे पार्टीचे प्रेसिडेंटय आशिल्ले and we were there here discussing for about an hour. The Aldona MLA had an urgent meeting, so he had to leave. So we discussed on several issues. I will just brief you on those issues. The first was regarding the reservation of post-graduation level in medical and dentistry for OBC, ST and SC in Goa. The second point that we took was the rising rate of the unemployment in the state. तिसरो जो इम्पॉर्टंट सारको म्हाका दिसता एक स्कॅम कशें दिसता वेस्टेज एंड पिल्फरेज of food grains under the Department of Civil Supplies. Fourth one was the fresh attempts by the Karnataka government for the Mhadei diversion. Fifth one was the jetty policy by the Tourism Department. Then we discussed about the opposition to the IIT project at Sange. Resumption of mining, early resumption of mining. Disqualification petition against 8 MLAs and fatal accidents due to poor road infrastructure and lack of monitoring system on road safety. आज हो सरकार जो आसा जे इम्पॉर्टंट मुद्दे जावं अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, म्हादय and mining resumption, and this government, instead of resolving these issues, seems to be promoting scams, the latest being scams in the recruitment and the public distribution system. On the 8th of August, we as Congress Legislative Party had met the governor and we had submitted a memorandum to him and asked him for his intervention. In that, we had alleged, at that time it was the Tur Dal scam, at that time we had alleged for him to intervene into it. We had also asked the Honorable Governor to intervene and take an all-party delegation to the Mhadei Basin. जे आज आमगेले OBC, ST, SC भुरग्यांचे जो अन्याय जाता in regards to the reservation of jobs, reservation of post-graduation admissions in the medical and dentistry field. We will go to the governor with regards to this. Secondly, जे staff selection commission जे मुख्यमंत्रीन announce केले, we welcomed it. But when is this notification going to come? Because there has to be transparency and accountability. कित्याक जेन्ना हो job fair म्हणून जाल्लो, now, how many people got the jobs? How many people temporary job are they going to be recruited on permanent basis? Or is this another jumla?
Meeting, we have strongly condemned the act of Department of Tourism, who is preparing a jetty policy in Goa. And we have urged the tourism minister to focus on the state tourism policy and master plan rather than the jetty policy. See, coming from a tourism background, आणि जेन्ना हांव एक टुरिजम हितून आसा हॉटेलां आसा आनी हांव बेजिकली बारीकशें टुरिजमा जाणा. म्हाका दिसता सरकारान आमकां बेजीक बँक पयलीं सांबाळपाक गरज आहा. आज आमी इतले त्रास जाला लास्ट 3 years आमकां चार्टर्साचे इश्यूज आहात. आमचे UK ट्युरिस्ट आहा तांकां ई-विजा लागून इश्यूज आहात. सो हांगा ते समाजच्या परस आमकां ही आतां जेटी पॉलिसी हे सरकार आनी आमचे लोकांचे घाता. Basically, it is for coal transportation as we समजताय. So we condemn this and we ask the government, पयलेचे सरकारान तेंगलेचे पयलेचे आमदार बाब ग्लेन तिकलो आनी बाय अलिना हेमी एंगले रिकॉर्डिंग आमकडे ती हेमी ओपोज केल्ले. आज तेंगले जेन्ना पयले ते ओपोज करताले आज कित्याक सरकार हेजे मुखार वयता हें सरकारान आमकां जबाब दिवचो. आनी ही जेटी पॉलिसी जी करपाक सोदता ती होल्डार दवरची आनी ते समज करता जाल्यार बाय कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स आनी रेल्वे नेविगेशन डिपार्टमेंट तेंका अंडर करचे. हेंका सरकारान कोण आपणा फायद्याक कोला फायद्याक घेवचो न्हू. सो आमगे हो डिमांड आहा. दुसरें म्हणल्यार जेन्ना मायनिंगाचेर आमी उलयताय आमगे लिडर ऑफिसानं सांगलां कितली तेंप जालो आनी सरकार डेट तारीख दीत आहा आज कोता फाल कोता कितली वर्सां जाली कितली एनिवर्सरी आमी सेलिब्रेट केल्यो. सो म्हाका दिसता सरकारान हेजेर भर घेवचो आनी लोकांक फटोवच न्हू कित्याक ट्युरिजमूय आतां देंवलां मायनिंगूय कितली वर्सां जाली आमकां ना. सो लोकांक जेवपाक येसें जॉब्सूय नाय जॉब्स आहाय तेंकांय काटाय तेंकलें बाबा जॉब्सां सिक्युरिटी ना इवन प्रायवेट सेक्टरान गव्हर्मेंट सरकार तरी नाच जॉब्स. सो म्हाका दिसता मायनिंग जें आहा तें ताबडतोब लिगल मायनिंग हे सरकारान तेजेर विचार करून चालू करचो.